Hello, and welcome to This Week in Privacy. My name's Alexis Katsifidis, and here are your regulatory highlights for this week. The European Data Protection Board adopted its opinion on the European Commission's draft adequacy decision for the Republic of Korea. The EDPB highlighted that the core aspects of the Korean data protection framework are essentially equivalent to those of the EU, but also called on the Commission to further clarify certain aspects and to closely monitor the situation. For example, in terms of transfers for the purpose of law enforcement and national security, the EDPB outlined that the provisions of the Personal Information Protection Act apply without limitation in the area of law enforcement, whilst also agreeing with the Commission's conclusion that South Korea can be considered to have an independent and effective supervisory system. Additionally, in relation to effective remedies and rights of redress, the EDPB asked the Commission to clarify the substantive and/or procedural requirements, such as a burden of proof to which a complaint with the PIPC or any action before a court is subject, and whether EU individuals would be able to meet such a precondition. The Kuwait Communication and Information Technology Authority published a new cloud computing framework. The framework was created to regulate the use of cloud computing services within the state of Kuwait and covers the licensing of cloud computing service providers, data classification, cybersecurity, contracting, and quality control standards. The CITRA also issued a set of mandatory and indicative policies and guides to support the framework. The US Chamber of Commerce stressed the urgent need for a new EU-US agreement on transatlantic data flows. The Chamber highlighted that data flows underpin the global financial system, advance medical research, enable cybersecurity cooperation, and facilitate cross-border commerce. Since the CJU's decision in Schrems II, the Chamber highlighted that data flows between the two countries have been uncertain. As such, the Chamber outlined the need for legal certainty for European and US businesses. That's all for This Week in Privacy. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week.